In the grass. Violet, can you tell me what's up in the sky?
Up in the sky.
There's an airplane up in the sky?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right. Up in the sky.
Yeah, that's right.
Up in the sky.
Airplane up in the sky.
Yeah, so dirty.
Your hands are dirty.
Hi.
Hi.
Up in the sky.
Airplane up in the sky, that's right.
Grass.
Grass.
Oh.
You're going to put grass in the hole?
Right.
Right. That's the hole where the water pipe is. Can you show Mommy where the hole is?
Up in the sky.
Yeah, there's an airplane up in the sky.
Up in the sky.
Yeah.
Up in the sky.
What's on your feet?
Monkey shoes.
Monkey shoes, that's right.
Up in the sky.
Yeah. Can you say bye-bye, Mommy?
Bye-bye, Mommy.
Okay.